Hello friend, in this video, we will see how can we solve a file system error on Windows. Let's see the error first. Here if I open the image it will show an error message. If you try to open the Microsoft Store then it will not open. Let's solve the issue. First of all open the Run window and type services.msc and press OK. You will see a services window. Here find Windows License Manage and right-click on it and select Properties. Here in Startup type select Manual and click on Apply and OK. That's it. Now I am checking by opening the same image. You can see the image is opening. You can see the Microsoft Store is also opening. If you are still facing the same error, just restart the PC. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.